The cabin air filter inside your car ensures a clean and fresh interior. Its role is to filter the air you breathe to ensure the comfort and health of you and your passengers. Especially with a dirty cabin air filter, you are exposed to much more airborne pollutants while driving than being at home. The restricted air circulation from an old filter will trap and accumulate debris over time, which is why it is crucial to regularly inspect and replace your filter. Not only this, it puts a necessary load on your blower and AC, which will reduce the overall efficiency of your car as a whole. Currently, Windsor-Essex is among the most polluted townships in Ontario that have the most particles in the air. Chronic exposure to these particles have been linked to provoke cardiac and respiratory diseases such as bronchitis and emphysema. Environment Canada speculates that the reason for these high levels may be due to industrial and transboundary. Mopar cabin filters have a unique negatively charged coating applied which attracts the particles with static energy. This is perfect because airflow isn't affected by static attraction. Other filter types only rely on the webbing, which not only collects less particles but also restricts airflow. As a result, our filter types are the most ideal for regions such as Windsor right now. In most vehicles, it is located behind the passenger side glove compartment and usually requires removing the compartment assembly to access it. At Countryside Chrysler, you can trust us with serving the cabin air filter and much more, specifically for your Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, or Ram. If you have any inquiries, you can reach us at our website provided below. Thank you.